So I want to share some industry trends that you definitely want to pay attention to right now in 2023 to change up your marketing, as well as to ensure that you're getting more leads and inquiries and you're not missing out on some key bookings just because you're not on top of your game. Hi, I'm Jody Ambro, founder of the Event Certificate, and I'm a marketing expert, and I focus mainly with service-based business, especially event and wedding planners. If you're struggling to get inquiries and leads, definitely reach out at www.eventcertificate.com. Now, before I dive into these tips, I must say this: please hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this one week after week to help you grow your business, because ultimately I want to see you succeed, and these videos definitely can help you to get your ideas juices flowing. The Knot released their Real Wedding Study, and I must say I picked up a couple of things that will definitely be helping you in your marketing. 5, in fact, that I'm going to outline that you should definitely pay attention to. So number one of the first key things that came out of the study was that 90% of couples were planning their events online, their weddings. Now, what does this mean for you as a business owner? Well, this means that you definitely need to up your online marketing game. If 90% of them were doing their planning online, it also means 90% of them, or chances are, looking for their vendors online, looking for tools online, and this is where your services definitely need to be up and at the forefront. And the only way to do that online is to increase your SEO, increase your social media marketing efforts. Now, when I say efforts here, I make sure I chose that word carefully, because it doesn't mean you need to do more posts. It just means you need to ensure that you're putting the most into the post that you're doing, right? But it means that you really need to focus on your online marketing strategies. Now, if this is something that is a struggle for you, because guess what? You're an event planner, you're a wedding planner, you weren't trained in marketing, neither was I, right? I learned marketing from building all my different businesses. And then once I thought, oh my God, I got this, then I actually went and did training and realized, oh yeah, I got this. So as a Google certified digital marketing expert, I can say if you're struggling with this, reach out to me, www.eventcertificate.com, and let's look at how we can actually work together. But if 90% of couples are doing this, you need to increase your online marketing game so that you can be showing up in searches, you can be showing up on social media, and be right in front of them when they're looking for vendors. Trend number 2 was that 45% of couples watch videos online when they were in the planning series, and they use this to help them make decisions as well as get inspiration. So what does that mean for you? Well, it means that if you're actually not using video to market your business, you could be missing out on some of these couples because they're watching videos. Now, don't get me wrong, some of them might be watching the videos for inspiration and looking for tips, but some of them might be watching the videos for other reasons, like trying to find and hire a vendor. So here's my tip to you. If you're not doing video marketing, definitely look on how you can actually get on some of these platforms. YouTube, TikTok, all those video-based platforms, you probably want to look and explore if there's something you can add to your marketing strategy. Now, if it's not, well, it just means that you might be missing those clients. But if it's actually something that you have the capacity to do, I highly recommend it. Now, I'm saying this as someone who uses YouTube as their main marketing channel. Video works. And anytime I get a client who I put on YouTube, guaranteed they get really good bookings from YouTube. So let me know if you're actually interested in YouTube marketing, because it's something I love and something I love getting clients set up with. And there are so many couples who come to YouTube to look for tips, and you want to be at the forefront, right? The good thing about like YouTube and TikTok and stuff like that is that people are coming to the platform to search for a solution, which means they're actually seeking you out as opposed to other form of marketing where you're trying to push an ad in front of their face. And that's the best place to be when they're coming to you. Number 3 is that there was an explosion in people using TikTok, and the actual hashtag like wedding planning TikTok has grown significantly. Yes, this ties into number 2. If you're not on TikTok, it's a platform you might want to look into. Now, if you're like me, I'll be honest, guys, I jumped on the TikTok trend. I think I did 3 videos and then I stopped. But here's the thing. If you're looking at it and how you can market your business, go on the platform, look around and see what other people are posting. If they're actual wedding planners, look at the type of content and what works and what doesn't. And the way you can see that is that you can see the amount of likes and views on a video, right? Look at that. Think about if this is something that you can create for yourself, something similar. And if you have the capacity to do it, include it in your strategy, even if it's just to test it out and see how it goes, right? But definitely look into it, especially if you see something is rapidly growing in the space. Number 4 is an oldie but goodie. It was Pinterest. So about 68% of couples were all on Pinterest looking for inspiration. Now, Pinterest is one that I love. I always tell my clients to get on there, especially because Pinterest is not really social media. It's a search engine, right? So people will come on all the time searching for inspiration. So what I tell my clients to do is this. If you are on Pinterest, you don't need to be thinking, oh my God, what am I going to post now? Create boards that are organized around certain wedding themes and post your event photos there. Link them back to your website so that when someone clicks on it, they can come over. The other thing you can do is you can create a headline, right? You could say, Miami-based beach wedding, and make that be the pin with a really nice photo and link it to your gallery showing the full wedding. This is a great way to not only get traffic, but to get customers over who are looking for inspiration, and they might end up be looking for a vendor who is you, right? So look into Pinterest if you've not already. If you're on the platform and maybe it's not working, because I've gotten people say, Jody, I'm on the platform, it's not doing anything for me. Look at your Pinterest strategy, right? Look into researching about some courses on Pinterest if you need to, or look into some of the best strategies for Pinterest. Because sometimes what I see people do is, one, they'll post pictures on Pinterest, but it's not in a pinnable size, right? They just take everything they get from the photographer and just dump it on there. Don't do that. Try to create images to meet the platform. Don't just think because I put the image and I just threw it up there with no thought that that's going to work, right? Look into what the platform needs and try to meet that, right? That's the only thing you can do on these platforms that you don't own, is go by what they're looking for and feed the machine. Number 5, and this one you need to know if you're a wedding planner, was that about 3 in every 10 couples actually hired a wedding planner. I don't know about you, but that's 29%, and I find that to be a pretty good number. But who knows? There could be more of them who needs converting. But this is a good thing to know because it tells you people are hiring wedding planner. I get planners that say this to me sometimes. They're like, maybe people are just planning their weddings themselves. Some people are, of course, but if you can still find 3 in 10 people who are looking for a planner, you still have an opportunity right there. So definitely look into some of these options. I guarantee you, if you're doing your marketing right, you will be attracting leads. If you're not attracting leads, chances are your marketing is not being done well. And if you're not a marketer, it is not your strong suit. Stop struggling on your own. Reach out to me, www.eventcertificate.com, and let's see how we can work together. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.